Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to trigger a subscription pop-up on button click in Elementor. Recently, one of my clients asked me to do this, so I thought I will share it with you as well. So let's get started. So I create a button, but when I click on it, the pop-up did not appear. So to fix this, we need to go to the WordPress dashboard. So go to the dashboard and navigate to the template. Select a pop-up. Here we can add a new pop-up. So my client also sent me an image for reference. So I will try to create a design similar to that. Since it's a subscription pop-up, so let's start building it. Give it some name and create it. So I already have Elementor installed, which provides some pre-made templates for pop-ups. If you prefer, you can design your own pop-up from scratch. In my case, I found a template that closely matched to my client design, so I will select it and make some customizations. So this is the template, which is almost similar like the design which client sent me. So I just change the pictures and do some customization of colors, text, images and content to match the required design. So Elementor make it easy to adjust everything as needed. So as you can see, the pop-up is ready. I made all the changes, like I changed the image color scheme to match it with the website theme and try to make it same as the reference image. So the pop-up is done. Now publish this. When you publish it, there is the option of adding a conditions. You don't have to show this pop-up to entire website. You can only show it to the singular pages. Select the singular and then pages, and select the page which have the that button. So the button is on the service page, so just select the service and save it. So now the pop-up work is done. Now let's go back to the web page where we added the download button. So this is the button that should trigger the pop-up when clicked. To make this work, we need to edit the page with Elementor. Now move to the section where the button is placed. So this is the section and this is the button. Click on the button and now you can see in the left hand menu there is an option to add a link. But we don't want to add a regular link, we need to trigger the pop-up we created earlier. So instead of adding a link, we need to use a dynamic tag. So this is the dynamic tag option. Click on the dynamic tag option. So there is a list of things. We can select the pop-up from here. Now click on it again and choose the pop-up template which we have created. So here you can write the name of the pop-up. As we name it as a free guide, you can write it. So this is the template. Select it and save the changes. So now we will check if the button will work or not. So as you can see, when I click on the button, the pop-up will be appear. So this is very easy way of adding a pop-up on a button by using Elementor. So I hope you can understand all the steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.